Hey everybody, what's up and welcome back to today's video guys. And today guys, I'm going to be showing you how to connect Printify to Shopify. This is a very simple thing to do, so make sure to watch this quick and easy video till the very end and follow my steps correctly so you can make sure this works the same for you and you can do this yourself. But yeah guys, let's get straight into it. So the first thing you want to do is to go ahead and open up the official Shopify website right here, shopify.com if you have not already. And after opening it up, you'll be greeted by this main page right here where you want to go ahead and log into your account. So go ahead and log into your Shopify account, and after logging in, you'll be greeted by the home page where you can access all the options such as home, orders, products, and so on. And now we can get started. Basically guys, to get started connecting Printify, this is what we want to do. Click the settings option right here at the bottom left corner. After clicking on settings, it's going to open up this new menu of all of the options that we can access. You can see here we have our general settings, plan, billing, and so on. And what we want to do is open up the App Store. So we can open up the App Store by clicking apps and options right here, and after so clicking the Shopify App Store, that's going to open up this App Store right here where you can find all the apps we can use for our Shopify store. And guys, what we want to do is use the search option right here. Use search and search for Printify. After searching for Printify guys, this is going to open up the apps right here. As you can see, one of the apps is going to build this fun Printify print on demand, as you can see it right here, and this is what you want to install. So you want to go ahead and click on install, click the install button. That's going to enable you to the next page, take you right here where you can go ahead and connect it with your Shopify store. And after connecting with your Shopify store, click the install button. It's going to connect, and after that we can now get started connecting our Printify with Shopify by connecting our accounts, adding our products, and so on. So guys, it's easy as that. So I hope this video was helpful. If it was, make sure to leave a like, subscribe to the channel. So guys, thanks for watching, take care, and bye.